Working at the car wash, yeah. Car wash, yeah. Motherfucking car wash. Ooh, yeah. Yo, man, this car's getting clean, know what I'm saying, Oh, yeah, cleaning off the car now, at the car wash, yeah. Car wash, yeah. Never know what you're going to see at a car wash. You go through this thing, they throw on the soap, they'll throw on the water, the spray, the dryer. You never know what's going to pop out at any moment. Oh yeah, the car wash, yeah. My shit is clean, yeah, now. Oh yeah. You never know what's going to come out once you get to the end, though. That kind of freaks me out. You get to the end and I don't know what's supposed to happen at the... Whoa! Whoa! What the hell is... Oh no! Oh shit, what is that? Look out! Whoa!